Friends, this is the story of a poor boy, a soul the world kept humiliating again and again. Every day he was mocked. Every night he cried in silence. But one day, he decided to rise. This isn't a story of revenge. It's a story of courage, hope, and a heart that never gave up. When a small dream breaks the pride of a cruel world, and a poor man proves that real worth is measured by heart, not by money. In Funny Fun Urdu Stories' new cinematic series, The Journey of Hope, you'll feel emotions, romance, suspense, and powerful twists that will keep you hooked till the end. So, if you haven't subscribed to Funny Fun Urdu Stories yet, hit that button now, because this story will touch your heart and make you believe again in dreams. Like, comment, and share, because sometimes the brightest light comes from the darkest heart. The journey of hope. When the poor rise, even fate listens.